I'm going to show you how to use the Compass database maintenance tool. This tool is normally used to transfer setups from one Compass database to another database. This would be typically used when, say, if you're moving Compass from one PC to another PC, you would normally do a fresh installation on the new PC and then transfer in your previous setups into the database installed on that new PC. So that would be your DUTs, support devices, piston gauges, and test definitions. Another example of when you might need to use this is, let's say you have someone who creates these setups um, offline, say at their office computer, and then they want to bring them into the lab to put them on the active Compass station so that you can use those setups. You can transfer them in with this tool. So go to Database, Compass Database Maintenance Tool. And first thing we'll want to check here at the top is which type of setups we want to transfer. So again, this would be DUTs, support devices, piston gauge setups, and test definitions typically. You will see there's other stuff in here like macros that are also part of the database that you can move, but normally it's the main ones just mentioned. So we'll start with DUTs as an example. So the top portion here is the database that we're going to move setups from, and then we're going to move them into our active Compass database shown down here at the bottom. So in this case, I used the browse or the folder icon here to select where I placed my database that I want to move a setup from. I placed it on the desktop in this example. And so if I want to move this RPM4 setup into our active database, just select it, then press the down arrow. It'll give you a message here that you're about to copy it, say yes, and then it'll tell you that it completed it. And now if we look down here at the bottom, that RPM4 setup is in our current database. So from here, we would again just continue through each one of the different types of setups up here until we have all of the setups that we would normally use or want in our existing database down here. While in here, you can note that there are some kind of handy tools here to clean up your current database, so delete options, things along those lines. So now that we've moved this RPM4 EDWT into our current database, we can give that a verification look by going up into our DUT setups. And now I see that RPM4 EDWT setup is in the active database for me to go ahead and use.